Did you know that in 2020, 54% of the Latin American population still didn't use digital banking and banking services? This is mainly due to the historically high and still very relevant banking concentration, combined with an inefficient and bureaucratic environment adding up costs. But things are changing, and the regulatory framework is helping that change. New players are innovating, driving increased use of digital banking and payments. As a matter of fact, the use of new digital banking services in the main Latin American countries has increased more than 125% yearly in the past 5 years. And the penetration of financial services, although having increased significantly across the region, still has a huge growth potential in comparison to developed countries. And then there is embedded finance. Across all industries, every company can now become a fintech, increasing end customer engagement and revenue. All these combined conditions create an enormous potential addressable market in Latin America for DOC, something around $12 billion, which we still tap less than 0.5%. And on top of that, this market is estimated to grow around 22% yearly until 2025. But how to take advantage of the opportunity to democratize financial solutions to all Latin Americans and take advantage of the huge opportunity ahead of us? DOC offers a composable, scalable, and resilient platform that enables any company of any size in any industry to launch and scale digitally native financial services. Our mission is to simplify the delivery of digital payments and banking at scale through the use of our APIs, allowing our customers to develop their own financial services, enhancing their value proposition to end customers. We give our clients the power to focus only on what matters for them, which is providing the best experience to their customers. In other words, it's taking our clients' challenges as ours, or even more, dreaming their dreams.
Our dream is quite challenging. We want to democratize payments and banking service access in Brazil, supporting our clients to thrive and reach their goals in life. That's what we want to do in the long run, and we are really getting there.
The payment market's been in such a huge transformation, and all these new offers on financial services and technology can help us to improve our CN's day-to-day by developing and digitalize their business, monetize and accelerate Natura &Co's ecosystem, improve payment journey for final customers, generating clear benefits for Natura &Co consultants and final customers.
Neon was born to serve the Brazilian working class, which means we're here for clients that are underserved by the incumbent banks. We have as a purpose to reduce inequalities by showing financial paths that are fairer and simpler, because everyone deserves a brilliant future.
We are challenged every day to support the new economy, and the new economy is made of people, entrepreneurs, and businesses that count on us to thrive and build their dreams.
We want to become the bank of the future today, to serve a population that urges for the best financial products for their needs. The challenge, though, was how to develop such a complex platform at the speed of light.
Great to talk to you, Kurt. See you. Bye-bye. I like to say to the team, we dream our clients' dreams. We know their challenges, and everything we do is about enabling them to better serve their customers, reaching millions of people in Latin America. We are very proud to be embedded in hundreds of products and services of brands that everyone knows and loves, powering our clients in an invisible way through our digital payments and banking infrastructure platform, and helping them to grow and scale their businesses. The market is growing quickly, and there is a huge opportunity for companies to launch digital payments and banking offerings. There are several new players coming to market operating different business models with the goal of better serving their customers. So it's important to understand that differentiation is ever more challenging, and companies need to focus on how to innovate their offerings to stand out in the crowd.
So at the end of the day, we're an enabler. We enable our customers to catalyze the change in consumer behavior towards digital payments. We view our business opportunity at the intersection of four major trends: growing financial inclusion, enhancement of the competitive environment, shift from legacy infrastructure, and highly complex and regulated operations. Historically, high costs to implement and maintain financial services have led the focus of financial institutions to launch products directed at higher income individuals. The rollout of new technology that is flexible, accessible, and composable has allowed companies to serve more and more layers of society, moving towards the democratization of digital payments. The benefits of financial inclusion are being observed worldwide. Governments and market participants have been coming together to rethink regulation and operational frameworks in order to incentivize competition, reducing bureaucracy and costs, and allowing the creation of new business models. A few examples are the enactment of fintech laws in Brazil in 2013 and in Mexico in 2018, among several other significant evolutions throughout the region. This has led to a significant increase in the number of players offering financial solutions to the end consumer, a trend we believe we are helping to catalyze.
Latin America's banking industry is highly concentrated. These entities' investments in technology are huge, but focused in keeping its current tech environment up and running. Although many of these players have invested highly over the course of the last years in digitalizing its experiences, most of the infrastructures are still running in complex and legacy machines and software, usually built for the American or European banking systems. Payments and banking transactions goes through a complex labyrinth of issuers, acquirers, payment processors, and card networks. This complexity creates an immense friction not only for the players in the industry, but for the final transactor as well. The building of such infrastructures repeatedly by each of these players is a tangible inefficiency for the whole industry.
On top of that, the higher penetration of internet access and mobile devices by the Latin American population, in connection with emergence of cloud-based technologies, APIs, and embedded finance in the region, are helping to overcome obstacles which historically were repressing digital financial inclusion and are allowing the disruption of financial services.
Today, over 70% of Latin Americans have access to the internet, and virtually 100% within a few years. This has removed a significant barrier in internet-based product delivery, such as digital payments with real-time verification.
In 2020, around 51% of the total banking transactions in Brazil were mobile. In the same year, the number of new digital account openings increased around 90%.
Cloud-based technologies gives us, the neobanks and fintechs, an extensible enterprise-grade solution that provides scalability and security for growth. Furthermore, the security and resilience profile of leading cloud providers help us build the trust and confidence in digital banking within our client base.
Open APIs are the rails that connect several systems across a wide ecosystem. That allows any developer to create and test a new feature without having to interact with anyone from the platform.
Embedded finance and new models approach to traditional industries is how the future is seen in the region. Imagine a team of 5 disrupting core industries like benefits, that it's only possible through partners like Doc.
We are the leading provider of world-class financial technology infrastructure in Latin America. Through our unique platform, we deliver card issuing, digital banking and acquiring, and a growing number of client-focused offerings as part of a financial architecture that is always evolving.
We allow our customers to launch and scale their businesses on top of our composable platform, leaving them free to focus on what really matters, their customer experience. We benefit from their growth and they benefit from our scale in a unique win-win value proposition that results in long-term relationships.
We are enabling our clients to challenge what it means to move money in the financial system. We enable them to launch and manage card programs through our Being Sponsor offering or through our clients' card issuance licenses. We also enable them to process banking transactions through our infrastructure with the possibility of a variety of cash-in and cash-out alternatives. We empower each of our clients to fill that void by natively embedding payments and banking services within its core business. Our platform is based on the following key components. Card issuing is the core of our offering, the beginning of DOC and the majority of our revenues. Our solution is highly parameterized and customizable, serving every type of card transaction, including physical, virtual, and tokenized cards. The range of products is also wide: credit, debit, prepaid, voucher, private label, for all the major networks in the countries we operate.
PagSeguro is the merchant acquirer for the masses, empowering almost 8 million of small entrepreneurs to receive payments from debit and credit cards in Brazil. A few years ago, since we are not attached to any traditional bank, we decided that we should start offering our own banking products and service to our clients and even to the general public. That's when PagBank was born. And that's when we chose DOC as our partner to process all our debit, credit, and prepaid cards.
DOC helped us in filling an important gap we had when compared to our peers in the market in a timely and a very efficient manner.
Digital banking is our bank-in-a-box solution that enables any business to offer banking and payment services even without a license, through our off-the-shelf partnerships or through our banking licenses. We've built and decoded from scratch all the components necessary to abstract away the complexity of implementing and operating a regulated financial institution. We offer the banking technology stack based on two services: software as a service and banking as a service. In the first, our client owns the banking license and we provide the tech stack. In the second, we provide both the tech and the license.
DOC is Caju's first strategic partner. Through their Bank as a Service platform, we recreated a 50-year-old category in a 5-people team. Today, Caju has over 170,000 corporate users and serves companies ranging from Latin unicorns to traditional conglomerates. We've been growing at a 30% monthly clip since our launch at the beginning of 2020. DOC has supported our growth through this journey.
DOC's Bank as a Service platform enabled us to have a much faster go-to-market product and gave us the freedom to not worry about the tech and the regulatory aspects required in such a complex operation. Also, DOC helped us to create new revenues for the company and most of all, helped us to change our consultants' lives by giving them the opportunity to get digital and to have a bank account.
We've been using DOC's platform since our foundation in 2019. We support companies and entrepreneurs of the new economy, who usually are neglected by the largest banks. We grew from 0 to 27,000 active customers in our first year, and in the last 8 months, we saw it increasing 2 times more, reaching a transaction volume of more than 400 million reais per month. We are one of the fastest growing fintechs in Brazil, and their solution has been crucial for that.
Lastly, the acquiring solution. We began building it in 2020, anticipating the acceleration of the convergence between software and payments infrastructure in Latin America, as is happening in many developed markets. Finally, our ambition is to replicate the same method that made us a leader in the card issuing and digital banking industries, with the offering of our acquiring technology stack in the software as a service and banking as a service ways, with the goal of improving the acceptance of different payments methods in the region.
We are currently serving more than 200 clients across multiple industries, providing them the most comprehensive offering of digital service solutions on one composable platform. We believe there are large opportunities within and beyond the segments we serve.
We're the experience partner, helping traditional financial institutions to securely innovate and scale. We support them in reducing operational costs and delivering world-class technology with a keen eye for regulatory matters. Fintechs and digital banks need the best technology and regulatory infrastructure to provide innovative products and services. We help them to get rid of any burden and, at the end of the day, focus on their core business. We enable retailers of different segments all over the region to offer digital financial services, improve their end consumer experience, and thus increase loyalty and profitability. Logistics, telecom, education, consumer goods are some of the many industries to whom we make it possible to offer embedded finance as a path to increase the value added to its final clients, agents, drivers, suppliers, partners, among others.
We do our job to open the road for our clients to do what matters for them, which is to create amazing experiences for their final clients, all through over 500 plus APIs in an open, predictable, and tested environment. We engineered our technology to be composable, based on open product architecture and broad network connectivity. Our suite of products is easily configurable to a variety of needs. By scaling the building of state-of-the-art infrastructure, we ensure everything is at high standards of security and at the same time moving the industry forward in terms of new experiences being provided. While configurable on a standalone basis, our technology platform is designed to be embedded within the natural workflows of our clients. A landing page of a bank website, a mobile app, or seamlessly intertwined into the transaction workflow of a retail or e-commerce checkout page.
Our monetization model is based on a balance between subscription and usage-based revenues, which strongly aligns our success to our client success. Our per active account software fees provide a highly recurring revenue base underlying our unit economic model, while our transactional revenues provide an upside, but only to the degree that our clients can grow their business. We do not rely on an interchange model, and we do not charge for inactive accounts. We only charge for what our clients use on our platform. This means that our clients also benefit from the scale gain as they increase usage volume. This balance, coupled with our nature of serving a premier client base through an industry-wide and sustained digital transformation, allowed us to deliver a 131% net revenue retention. Our total revenue was 203 million reais in 2019 and 281 million in 2020, representing a growth rate of 38%. In the first 9 months of 2021, ending in September, revenues were 302 million reais, representing a 57% growth over the same period of the previous year at 192 million reais. Our asset-light operating model allows us to continuously reinvest in our business. We are strengthening our investments in the platform to further increase growth in the coming years.
We believe we are the most complete payments infrastructure platform in Latin America, giving us a large competitive advantage in the markets we serve. As more and more companies need to adopt digital payments and banking solutions to serve their customers, Dock is the best alternative given our customer centricity, technology platform, experienced talent, innovative culture, and finally, our business model that fully aligns our success with that of our clients.
Our platform has expanded from a card issuing foundation to include digital banking and acquiring solutions. Feature-rich and secure, while being simple, transparent, and invisible to the end consumer and delivered as a service.
We at Neon find it very easy to use Docs platforms because it provides everything we need. In particular, the complete API documentations allows us to build more quickly and easily. This is crucial for our business and delivery capacity of our teams.
Our platform, technology, and track record are a product of our willingness to challenge the traditional way of doing things. We take calculated risks, and while not all of our ideas succeed, we believe our inherently disruptive mindset ensures that we will continue to be at the forefront of shaping the digitization of financial services in Latin America.
It's great to have such a partner with the same vision, mindset, and appetite for disrupting the market. We feel that we are living the same dream.
Our culture of innovation is reinforced by the collective experience of our team. Our people have built businesses, registered patents, navigated complex ecosystems and regulatory frameworks, and more broadly impacted the evolution of local markets over decades of cumulative experience.
For us, here at NCOPay, it's been outstanding since the first day. We are impressed with the team that served us from the very beginning, from the directors to the day-to-day executives. Furthermore, their expertise is unusual, and they were always eager and available to get to know Natura's philosophy and take this into account on each step of the way. This was essential for us to implement our product in such a short time. We are glad of having them as a partner in our mission.
We believe that the best form of a durable client relationship is not a contract, but rather our track record of exceeding expectations. While simple in concept, this required both an intense understanding of client needs and the ability to rapidly respond through a combination of customer service, innovation velocity, and practical experience. Everything that we do has the client experience and their needs in mind, helping us stay at the forefront of product innovation and deliver value-added solutions.
The capabilities of the platform, aligned with its vision and architecture, give us all the freedom we need to create the best experience, as well as the confidence that we can scale our business without any boundaries.
We deliver our platform with a simple and transparent revenue model that closely aligns us with the success of our customers. Our pricing strategy means our customers do not need to incur upfront costs and instead utilize a pay-as-you-go model. The power of this is reinforced by attractive long-term margins, allowing us to reinvest in our business over time.
Doc's revenue model and pricing position them as the launchpad for innovation in the region. We established a trust relationship that is very aligned and transparent. Their pricing allows us to scale while improving our business from a margin standpoint.
Our market opportunity across Latin America is huge, and we are only at the beginning of our journey. We intend to grow our business and revenue base through the following strategies. The strength of our business model is the ability to grow alongside our customers as they gain share in their respective markets. We will continue to support their growth as they seek opportunities to expand their product offering and their client base. We believe our platform and operating model can address from the most basic needs of any company that wants to offer digital payments and banking solutions up to the demands of the most advanced fintechs and banking institutions. That is why we will continue to expand our customer base, empowering new clients and enabling new use cases.
Our innovative mindset is supported by our growing product and engineering team. We will continue to evaluate new solutions and features to further empower our clients and increase our overall addressable market. The launch of Banking as a Service in 2018 and Acquiring as a Service in 2021 represent concrete examples of this strategy. We intend to significantly invest in our expansion across Latin America. To date, We have active clients in 5 countries that collectively represent around 80% of Latin American GDP. Our competitive positioning is strong, and we will seek to replicate our success in Brazil across Mexico, Colombia, and other long-term core geographies. And Latin America is only the beginning.
Our preference is to develop products internally, investing heavily into organic growth initiatives. However, we have executed acquisitions in the past and are open to do so in the future. We like to say that M&A is not a strategy, but a tactic to accelerate achieving our long-term vision. Thus, we will continue to evaluate acquisitions and investments as a complementary element to our organic growth strategy.
It's all about following dreams. We know how amazing it is to chase a big dream. That's why we love this business we are building with our clients. We work together next to each other just to make those dreams come true every single day, and we are just getting started.
Doc, tech your business free.